What's up, guys? Welcome back to another one. Camping by the river. Looks like we're up in the middle of the wilderness. We're not quite in the wilderness, but we're going after mountain birds youth opener. And Wyatt, who is Eric's boy, it's his first hunt ever. Super excited. They're on their way down. I just got here, made a little makeshift rain fly, snow. Well, I don't think it'd quite hold up to snow, but got camp going, got firewood cut, and I'm gonna go roost some birds. There's actually should be 4 notch marks, but we are giving away the old Benelli Nova 20 gauge. So you could win this gun. We're gonna hunt all over. We're actually going back to hunt Easterns with the hunting public. We're gonna get everyone to sign it. Hopefully kill as many birds as we can with it, but at the end of turkey season, we're giving that away. Hit the subscribe button, gotta be a subscriber, and then text turkey to 541-256-2457. All this right here, and we're gonna draw for it in June. So hopefully that'll be yours. With that, I'm gonna go roost some turkeys. Wish me luck.
Well, guys, welcome back. I just got off a awesome hunt down in California, and now my son and I are gearing up for the youth spring turkey season, which the kids get to hunt the weekend before the opener, and they get 2 days. This year it's the 9th and 10th of April. But we're out here, we're patterning Wyatt shotgun, going over all the safety, kind of how it's going to work when we're hunting. This is his first time going to the woods, so we're covering all the basics from how we're going to set up, what to look for, where to shoot, what to aim for. So I'm pretty excited as a dad. This is a big experience for me too. So we're out here. He's got a 410. We're trying out a couple different loads. We're gonna pattern those, kind of see which one works the best, go through all the safety stuff, and get ready for Saturday. It's just a few days away. So you ready, Wyatt?
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Hey,
wow.
God.
Look at that pattern.
Yeah.
I think we found the one.
I think we're using Apex.
Put your safety on. Safety on. Muzzle in the safe direction. Well, let's go check that pattern out, dude.
I think we might be using Apex.
Look at that.
I think we're using Apex.
That is impressive, buddy. All right, well, that puts a smile on my face because now I know when we head to the woods on Saturday, that gun is dialed and ready to go. What are we doing, buddy?
On the road.
On the road. We are on the road. Just finished up with the work week. Wyatt just finished up with the school week, and we've got a long drive ahead of us. So we're not gonna get to camp till well into dark. But Cody is already there, and he is out doing some scouting right now. Woo, woo, woo!
Oh, for 3. Not quite to where I had that bird gobbling a couple days ago, so I'm gonna keep working up. I think I hear a camp up around the corner, so hopefully it's not that. Oh, pet peeve. People with beer cans. My goal is to fill a bag. Well, hopefully not, but fill a bag this weekend. I'm halfway there just from my scouting trip the other day. Pick up your trash, or pick up others' trash. It's public land, but it's not a landfill. Well, striking out on gobbles. I did come around the corner driving, and there was like 5, 6 birds in the road. They took off and flew. Saw the tree that actually went into. For sure there's a jake. I know another hen, maybe a longbeard, but I don't know for sure. Kind of the upper end of this, so at least a starting point where there's some birds, but where I heard them the other day was down here in the bottom. I keep working my way down. Do my best warb impression with, well, my owl's not a screech owl, but woo, 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 woo. And then scarecrow and goose call. Getting excited.
Well, first off, we made it. Checking off our youth hunter. He's out. He's absolutely out. Trust me, he's excited. He's excited.
Oh, that's awesome. What do you think, Wyatt?
Getting the full experience.
Getting the full experience.
Getting the full experience. It's a little chilly right now.
Yes.
Yeah, it's gonna be cold tomorrow.
We are enjoying the. This is my first year of living the full canopy life, and it's nice. It's really nice.
Yeah.
Trent, you're like the last remaining holdout. So you're next, buddy.
You go from a canopy to full-on overlander. The bed of all beds. Well, we're gonna call it a night. I think it's about 10:30. Get up about 4:30 and try to get on some birds for you guys in the morning. Wyatt's got a 410 and some Apex Ninja. Patterned it. It was awesome. So turned out really good. If you have the opportunity, take a kid hunting. It's pretty special. This is going to be his first hunt where he's actually the shooter. He's gone on lots of hunts with his dad before, but tomorrow it's all about him. So wish us luck.
Good morning, campers. I'm trying to be chippery. It's a short night. Rain didn't show up, so that's good. Looks like the forecast held so far. Stars still out, so birds will be hammering this morning. Gonna make some coffee, get a little bit of food down, and go see if we can't turn one up. Pump for Wyatt. It's gonna be a good day.
What's for breakfast, Strand?
What's for breakfast, Strand? Right now I'm trying to wake him up. He's pretty comfortable there. Hey, Wyatt. How we doing, buddy? It's cold.
Cold. Yeah, beanie.
I should have brought long johns for myself. I made sure he has everything. I don't, so I'm going to be a little chilly. Next step is waking him up. Getting him going. I look at the window. Wyatt's got a little pre-hunt hunt going, getting his reps in on the iPad, playing some sort of hunting game. So kids, they're pretty funny. I said we're waiting for that. So far, nothing. There's turkey sign all over the road. Like just driving in with the LED headlights. Like the LEDs just there's white. Looks like chickens have been living in the road, but it's all turkey sign. So they're in here. Just need one to screw up and announce his presence. That's the turkey hunting necklace of splendor.
You don't have a hair in your chest if you don't put that on and wear it all day.
Just rock it all day. Just where they at, boys? That way.
Put a shell necklace in college? No, turkey spur.
Well, that was a primary reason. Chicks really dig it. You know, they see it. It's
That's
ultimate.
how you got Heather on first day of school.
Well, it just establishes that street cred. You know, right off the bat. Western Oregon University. This is what you got. This is yeah. Bring what you got. And this is what I had.
What do you think of that? Your dad talking about?
I have no idea.
I have no idea. I have no comment.
Woo, woo, woo!
Right down there. Yes. So they're down on the bottom there. Did you hear him? You did. Strutter. It's like a year and a half old Jake. We found him. They're in the road, strutting and gobbling.
What happened?
I said we landed on him. He's just strutting the road right there.
No way.
Yeah, he's literally in the road. So we're gonna
Shoot him.
try and call him in, buddy. But yes, that is the goal. Push your barrel up straight in the air, okay? We're gonna try and get down by that. See where that road comes up. We're gonna come up that road.
fighting. I can hear them fighting. Be ready. Just be ready. Be ready. One of them just flew down. One in the tree fell right now. Oh, probably saw them. Yeah, they're coming down. Get ready. Get ready. Take your safety off. Don't put your finger on the trigger until you're ready to shoot. I'll tell you when to shoot. Sat here for about 30 minutes and those birds were fighting. They flew up in a tree. Then they shut up and then they got excited. They gobbled, thought it was going to happen. And they flew down, but then they all went down the ridge. Huge flock of birds. It sounded like at least 10 hens, jakes, all of it. So pretty tough to call in, but exciting nonetheless. We might let these ones sit and go find some fresh ones. So cool. Why I was pumped. I just stuck down below, like 60 yards below us. There's like 30 of them. Most of them are lake banded. 50 yards. Struck. 50 yards. Walking on a big tree straight down there.
Oh my goodness, Wyatt.
Great job.
Dude,
Look at that. Holy crap.
you did so good.
Holy crap.
We waited so long and you were so patient. Wyatt, buddy. First turkey, man.
I'm shaking so bad. My God.
Oh, thanks, brother. Wyatt, you did it, man.
Dropped it.
You dropped him.
You didn't even flop.
What's that? What, you call it the old Apex
Ninja.
Ninja?
Ninja kick.
Let's go find your turkey.
Hold on, I gotta do something.
Okay, safety on. Good job. Save that one.
That's what I'm
You're
doing.
saving that forever. Oh my goodness, Wyatt. You did so good. You guys couldn't see it here, but I mean, he was in some serious pain. We've been sitting here for...
I'm in pain right now.
Yeah.
It's worth it. It's so worth it.
Wyatt, he didn't go anywhere.
I dropped him.
Dropped
No,
him.
like dead, no flop.
Dead turkey. 410.
Right. Great shot.
Oh my goodness, buddy.
I think we're going home early.
Going home early. Wyatt, you did... I cannot believe how well you did waiting. She's like, can I shoot now? Can I shoot now? I'm like, you ready?
I'm waiting. Buddy.
Goodness.
Can't stop the flop.
Can't stop the flop. Hey, congratulations on your first turkey, buddy. You did so good. He's not even twitching.
No.
He don't really got no spurs.
You know, he's a Jake. Kind of like you.
I don't care.
Oh man, first turkey. Bigger than you.
Great
Oh
shot.
my God, this thing's flipping tiny. This thing's a tiny.
That's awesome, Wyatt. Headshot on him, buddy.
Yeah, you're done.
That is so cool. Got a good little fan on him.
He did a show.
Oh yeah.
Can we mount him?
Well, we could do a fan for you in your room.
Oh, Chance said I wasn't
You
gonna.
gotta see if you can hold him up. He's pretty big.
He's a decent. I love him.
Yeah. Hey, for your first turkey hunt, you got the full package, buddy. Opening morning, first turkey hunt. Didn't have to go far.
That was awesome.
Paid off.
What was your favorite part of it?
Probably just watching him come in.
Yeah.
That
So
was
the way
so-
he came in,
he
too.
was just chilling right there. I was like, shoot it. I was on him the whole time, right?
Oh, man.
I dropped him.
I don't think it's fully sank in yet.
You dropped him. Like, did not even flop.
Hey, we've killed nine turkeys or 10th turkey this year. That was the best kill so far.
Yay!
with the 410.
With the 410 Mossberg. Fun.
Oh, man.
What is that? That's all of 25 yards.
I'd say 25, yeah. I told him, I go, hey, once he gets to the road and comes to the decoys, you can shoot. But when he came up here, he's like, hey, shoot him now. I'm like, dude, that's like 35, 40.
Yeah.
I was lined up the whole time. I probably would have killed him still if I was right there.
Yep.
Because I dropped him right here.
Man,
I
don't think Mom's going to quite believe it.
Oh,
We need to let you do some hot laps up and down the road to warm up.
Yeah.
I was right. I was aimed right here the whole time, and I shot him in the head.
Shot him in the head.
Headshots only.
I'm speechless. I can't even.
Should we do this, buddy? First one, hit that button. Validate. All right,
Tagged out.
tagged out. I'm stoked for you, buddy.
I
Yeah.
can't even speak right now, guys. Like there's a million things running through my head.
What'd you think when you first saw him? That's what I want to know.
I was like, oh my God, let me pull this trigger.
Yep. Had to teach you how to wait.
That was good. That was good patience.
That was fun.
He did exactly what he's supposed to do.
Yeah, he did.
Just strutted and
Just, oh yeah.
drum it and
Did
was
you hear
cool.
that? Boom.
Yeah, that was crazy. I was like, what the heck?
what's really cool is when you can hear it about 100 yards in the timber.
Oh.
You know they're coming. Yep. I put the born and raised sticker on there.
I had to. I
You
had to.
Yeah.
And here we ended up with a dead turkey on the ground.
Let's see you pick that thing up, put it over your shoulder. Hey! Oh.
This thing is heavy. Let's go to the big boy.
Guys, I gotta say that was one of the coolest experiences I've had. Turkey hunting, hearing all those birds, kind of like, oh no, the gig is up. And then to persevere, Wyatt's feet fall asleep. It's 29 degrees, it's cold. And in came the strutter. It's pretty amazing. Pretty excited that I was here for this opportunity and get to see it with these two. Special times. So yeah, kind of speechless, honestly. So we're just, if you guys missed our California trip, we hit the river, had a blast, killed 9 longbeards in 5 days. And yeah, there's a whole video series, 3 videos. You guys can put that link right here up there on the card and click on that. But next up we have an organ opener for us adults next Friday. And then Noah and Eric and I are headed out to meet the hunting public, go hunt some easterns. So been a lot of comments about, oh, you can't get away with that, you guys Rios are dumb, not smart. Well, it's what we've got here, and I'm stoked to go experience what you guys have back there. Gonna go hunt the Appalachians. Oh, pretty awesome. Got back to camp, making some bacon, farm fresh eggs. Got some coffee ready in the old AeroPress. For all those future kid hunters out there, you got any words of advice?
Listen to your dad. To tell you when to shoot.
All right, guys, we're just packing up. Whirlwind of a trip. Thought we were gonna be here for a couple days. Thought we might be here for a snowstorm, but ended up working out really good. Yeah, I mean, honestly, couldn't have drawn up any better. So, but I wanted to get on here just real quick and just tell you guys, this hunt means a lot to me. Means a lot to Wyatt. But as a father, you know, watching your son or daughter have success in the field, especially at a young age, is pretty special. So, Kody went above and beyond and was out here scouting. He's kind of done a lot of, he's done a lot of legwork on this spot. So it was pretty cool to be able to show up and share camp together and share that experience with them. But at the end of the day, take a kid hunting. You know, Kody and I were talking about it. Whether you have kids of your own or you know that there's some kids out there that might want to go and see what it's all about. You know, we all started off somewhere, and someone had to take us in the beginning. So taking a kid hunting is something that's super important to us, and all of us are fathers for the most part, and it means a lot to us to have this experience. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. We had an absolute blast making it. I know Wyatt's on cloud 9. I don't think it's fully sank into him yet what all transpired this morning, but yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Wyatt did have the idea at the right page of 9 that we need to slow play mom. So, babe, it wasn't me.
Hey Wyatt, all the YouTube videos you've ever watched, you ever think you're gonna close one out?
No.
So what do you want to tell the people watching?
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and have a good day.